Personality types really help us to understand who we are. And in this short video, we're also going to look at some great resources. So, this is just a quick introduction. You know what personality is? It's what makes us unique. It is really about what we think, what we feel, and really how we behave, because we're all just a little bit different, right? And we're different in different situations. But knowing your personality type is going to help you to better understand yourself, improve your relationships, and even guide those decisions. So, what exactly is a personality type? A personality type is a collection of traits that are really describe how you approach life. So, when we talk about personality type, we actually talk about four different aspects. We talk about the interaction style. This is extroverted versus introverted. We talk about information gathering. This would be practical versus imaginative. We would talk about decision making, emotional versus logical. And we talk about how we approach life. Are we very organized? Or are we more flexible? So, a common personality type, of course, is MBTI. And this is where we start looking at extroversion, introversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging, perceiving. So, how do you explore your personality type? There's so many things that you can do. You can take a personality quiz. You can reflect on your behavior, consider your reactions and your preferences. You can ask for feedback from trusted friends or family. And also, you can look at resources. And at the end of this presentation, be sure to check that in slide. I'll include a link to some great resources. So, here's your thought. Your personality is the way you see the world and the way the world sees you. Understanding it helps you to unlock your potential.